Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines app. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will click here on this window of Airlines like this. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.